ago, Ravana, the mighty king of Lanka and a devotee of Lord Shiva, performed intense penance to please Shiva. Impressed by Ravana's devotion, Shiva granted him the sacred Atmalinga, warning him,
Ravana, the Atmalinga is extremely powerful. Ensure it never touches the ground, or it will be rooted there forever.
With joy and reverence, Ravana began his journey back to Lanka, carefully carrying the Atmalinga. As the sun began to set, Ravana realized it was time for his evening prayers. He couldn't place the Atmalinga down but also couldn't delay his rituals. Desperate, he looked around and saw a young boy nearby. This was Lord Ganesha in disguise.
Hey, boy! Come here. I am Ravana, the king of Lanka. Can you hold this for me while I perform my prayers?
Me? Hold that? What is it?
This is the Atmalinga, a sacred gift from Lord Shiva. Be careful, it must not touch the ground.
Alright, but I'm just a boy. I can hold it for a while, but if it becomes too heavy, I'll have to call you.
Fine. Call me, and I'll return immediately. Just don't place it on the ground.
As Ravana started his prayers, Ganesha, with a clever smile, began calling out, Ravana, it's getting heavy. Ravana, deep in his rituals, shouted back,
Wait. I'll be done soon.
A moment later, Ravana, it's too heavy now. Ravana hurried his prayers but didn't want to stop. For the third time, Ravana, I can't hold it any longer. Before Ravana could finish his prayers and rush back, Ganesha placed the Atmalinga on the ground. Immediately, it rooted itself there, glowing with divine energy. Ravana ran to Ganesha, furious.
You fool! Do you know what you've done? Why didn't you wait?
I called you 3 times, as I promised. You didn't come, so I placed it down. It's not my fault you were too slow. Despite his immense strength, Ravana couldn't lift the Atmalinga. Furious, he struck it with all his might, breaking it into pieces. These fragments scattered across the region, creating sacred sites, including Gokarna, where the main portion of the Atmalinga is worshipped to this day. Ganesha disappeared, leaving Ravana to realize that his arrogance had been outwitted by divine wisdom. Ganesha's wisdom and Ravana's overconfidence teach us that humility and patience are the keys to true success.
Hit like, share and subscribe.